Kiumia kĩgima gĩkoragwo na mĩhang'o kĩondorita, ũguo onaguo nĩtũmenyete, na nĩkĩo tabarĩra ya kũinĩkĩrĩria yongereirwo wathi mwerũ nĩguo tũgũteithie gũtiriha wikendi na thitairũ. O mũthenya wa Jumamothi nĩ gwĩkĩra twaraba nĩguo wirekererie wĩige mathitire thithĩ, tũkaina karĩthĩ gakongoya. Atĩrĩrĩ, waigua nĩ kuongerera wathi nĩ atĩ rĩu kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia ũtukũ tũkagĩa na mweke wa gũthathaiya Ngai ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe, thaa 3 kinyagia thaa 4 tũgakũrehera ma DJ matiganĩte magagũtukanĩria nyĩmbo iria mwaki na kuma thaa 4 tũkaina mĩthũ ĩkarega ndare, aini arĩa ng'ũ a nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Ngai makaina ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kinyagia thaa 6 ũtukũ gatagatĩ. Mwago mũtheri ũngĩgĩtigithia atĩa nĩ kũinĩkĩrĩria na MC Kĩhehenji wa Gĩtawa.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ kiumia kĩega na kĩrathime gĩa tarĩki 14 mweri naguo nĩ wa Gathathanwa. Ngwĩhoka nĩ ũgĩthire gũkĩma thiũthi wa Ngai, na ithuĩ nĩ twagĩũka nĩgetha tũkũmũhungurie thĩinĩ wa kaunti itiganĩte. Mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Wambui wa Gaku, na niĩ njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjirũ. Na tũkĩrika mohoro-inĩ maitũ nĩ atĩ rũhonge rwa kũramata thogora wa maguta nĩruo EPRA nĩ rũrekereirie mathogora merũ ma maguta kũrĩa thogora wa petro wagwa na mang'otore merĩ, nayo petro niyo yakĩgwa na mang'otore merĩ, nayo dithero yagwa na ciringi 10 iria president eranĩire kũrũmĩrĩra mũcemanio wake na anene a matatũ Mombatha thutha wa mũrũrũngano wa gũtetia mathogora ma maguta marĩa mahanĩkire mweri mũhetũku. Tũgĩtigana na icio nĩ atĩ President William Ruto na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Oburu Odinga nĩ mang'etetie mũingĩ wa kaunti ya Kajiado. President augĩte motungata ma ũrigiti nĩ mekĩrirwo makĩria, oho agĩtetera mũbango wa SHA, ongerera na kuga thĩna wa wagi wa mathibitarĩ-inĩ nĩ mũthiru, kuona nĩ makoretwo magĩthukĩra kĩgĩna kĩingĩ thĩinĩ wa rũhonge rwa KEMSA. Oho ningĩ Oburu nake akiugĩte acio marauga Ruto ndararuta wĩra, akiuria kai matatũraga Kenya, akiuga wĩra wa president nĩ ũronekana.
Mheshimiwa Rais, hii Kajiado County sehemu nyingi imekuwa kwa giza kwa hizi miaka zote tangu tupate uhuru, lakini chini ya uongozi wako hiyo sasa inabadilika. Hiyo mambo ya giza inabadilika katika uongozi wako Mheshimiwa Rais, na mmeweka mkakati kamili ya kuunganisha stima kwa wananchi wa hii county ya Kajiado, hasa hii constituency ya Kajiado West.
Na tuambiane ukweli kwamba nchi hii lazima isimame, itetee ukweli mbele tunavyokwenda. Mimi kama gavana wa Kisii, mimi nataka tamu ya pili. Najua kuna Wakisii wengi sana hapa ndani. Si mko hapa? Sasa mimi mtawezaje nipa mbili na Ruto na yeye yuko kwa yuko na ile moja, si tunapewa, tunamaliza, tunaachia wengine wanaingia baadaye. 2032 hawa wengine, Mheshimiwa Rais utakapoondoka, mimi mwenyewe nitasimama, nitapambana naye, na mimi niko na uhakika nitakuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Na kuna watu ambao wanatembea kila mahali hapa, wanajiita divided, disorganized opposition, confused. Wanatembea kila mahali, unatafikiria ati waliingia hii Kenya jana. Utafikiria na miaka wako na miaka 70, 72, 67, 68, lakini wanaongea ni kama waliingia juzi.
We want to go to that first world very, very soon. And I can see the measures which you are being taken by Kenya are going to take us there. People are complaining that there is a very big gap in the financing of the country. But this, I'm a finance expert. And I can tell you that the financing of this country, the levels where the country is borrowing, we are borrowing from our own. We are not going to beg in the international market with a heart in every capital begging. We want to trade with them. We don't want to be beggars.
And I have said before, and I will say again, I am unapologetically a Christian. I believe in God, and I have no apologies to make. Wale wanasumbuka ama wanasumbuliwa na hiyo maneno, sasa sijui tutawasaidia namna gani, kwa sababu sisi tutaendelea, kwa sababu sisi ni Wakristo, na taifa letu la Kenya, jamii zote na watu wote ni watu ambao wanamcha Mungu. Hata ingawaje tuko na madhehebu tofauti, tuko na imani tofauti, lakini sisi wote tunaunganika kwa sababu tunamheshimu Mungu na tunamwabudu Mungu, na hivyo ndivyo taifa hii kwa mapenzi ya Mungu itaendelea kuwa namna hiyo. Na ni maombi yangu ya kwamba Kenya iendelee kuwa ni nchi ambayo inamtambua Mwenyezi Mungu. Ndio katiba ya taifa letu la Kenya, kipengele ya kwanza inasema God of all creation. That is the constitution of Kenya. And therefore we are a God-fearing nation. We will continue to work with all faiths, with every denomination, as we serve God and as we serve humanity.
Tukiuma Kajiado tukuhyuka nginya kuria Machakos, munini wa gavana wa kaunti ino niwe Francis Mwangangi ni akomithitie tharikira cia nyanake iria ikoretwo igitabanio guku bururi-ini. Amenerie tharikira iria irekirwo All Saint Cathedral hindi ya mucemanio uria uraragiriria cigie bajeti.
Tumeona wamerudia ile maneno ya ngunizi. Ni katika uongozi wa huu ulioko nao sasa, tumeona serikali iko na vitengo vya usalama. Serikali iko na mashirika ambayo tunajua ni ya kiusalama. Tunajua iko na kodi yote ya serikali. Badala ya kutumia hayo, tunaona itumii the official way of enforcing the law. Instead tunaona wanatumia ngunizi. Serikali hii iliingia mamlakani kupitia makanisa and other places of worship. Saa hii they have turned against the church in Kenya and all the religious organizations. Wameanza vita dhidi ya Wakenya kupitia wakora. Wakora ni goods, hired idle youths. Wale hii serikali imeshindwa kutafutia kazi. Sasa saa hii wamefanya wengi wakuwe maskini ndio watumie kupiga wenzao wa Kenya. I condemn ile budget public forum ile ilikuwa kule Osage Katento. Hao wakora walituma huko, walimesahau haraka sana. Aniseme sisi tumesema ya kwamba hii bajeti ambayo imepita si bajeti ya Mkenya, ni bajeti ya wakubwa wa hii serikali ambao haisaidii Mkenya yote, itaenda kuongeza umaskini katika taifa letu.
Na tukirio cigie tharikira icio cia Nyanake mung'ethaniro ni worotete thirikari makiuga tharikira iria iratabanio ni ikundi cia Nyanake makanithaini na micemanio yao ni thirikari irakore marihite mawite kihoto ni gikonekana wona githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite gia tabanio kuria maritici mari kanithaini wa Gatoleki wa St Mary's Kibabi.
Tunawaomba tu na tumekuja na unyenyekevu, tunagonga mlango wako mwananchi wa kawaida, wewe ndio uko na kadi. Mimi nimekuja tu kuomba kwa unyenyekevu, mtufungulie mlango, mtupee nafasi hiyo ili turekebishe nchi yetu. Na pia kuwaomba tafadhali, msife moyo. Haya mambo yanaweza kuwa namna hii, you can lose hope. Ukifika mahali askari wanafukuza watu mpaka kwa kanisa. Hata leo asubuhi wakati tuliingia hapa na George natembea, nilimuuliza mbona kuna askari hapa na tia gas. Mimi nilikuwa nafikiri tunaenda kanisa, kwa nini kuna askari na tia gas? Mimi natembea, tulikuwa kwa usalama, alikuwa regional commissioner, mimi nilikuwa waziri wa usalama, na tulifanya kazi vizuri sana na ndugu yangu huyu George, na tunapendana na mimi nampenda. Sasa sisi hii mambo ya kubeba tia gas kwa kanisa, kuleta askari na rungu kwa kanisa, nataka kuwaomba viongozi wa serikali na munisikize, ninawaomba kama ndugu yenu na kwa unyenyekevu, munachiletea laana kufanya maneno ama namna gani? Wananchi munachiletea laana tu, na viongozi wetu wa usalama waelewe haya mambo. Munaambiwa eti munaenda kusumbua watu, unawezaje kuleta askari na tia gas kwa fadha?
Tukumbushane pia, hatuwezi kukubali tabia ya kuleta uhasama, ghasia mahali patakatifu kama kanisa. Juzi wakaweka tear gas kanisa huko Nyeri la Anglican Church. Juzi kwa Anglican Church again, All Saints Cathedral wameweka magun. Mahali watu walikuwa wanaulizana hii bajeti itakueje, wakaleta magun, wakatawanya watu ambao wana heshima duniani kote kama vile Amnesty International, Kenya Human Rights Commission, TISA. Kila kuchao hawa watu hawajui watafanya nini.
Tell our senior police officers, we know 98% of you are opposed to Gunism. 98% are complaining that Kipchumba Murkomen is too much, that you can no longer tell the difference between police and goons. Goons are using police vehicles to attack Kenyans. I want to put police officers on notice. We are now keeping a record for all acts of excessive police action. Wale commanders wanakubalia goons waumiza wa Kenya. We are keeping a record.
Tutigane na uteti. Minister wa Mai Eric Muriithi Mugaa na atongoria angĩ mwena wa Meru nĩ morĩtie mũingĩ wa mwena ũyũ kũnyita mbaru President William Ruto na mũnini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki, makiuga President nĩ abatie itĩna rĩngĩ nĩguo akorwo akĩrĩkia wĩra wake. Mathiĩte na mbere na kuga Ruto arutĩte wĩra agatahwo Mai ciande.
State launch hiyo inajengwa because itajengwa, huyu ndiye atahakikisha tumepata nafasi hata za kazi huko, ama namna gani? Si mmesema mnataka state launch ikijengwa nafasi za kazi zile mingi zitoke area hii? Mnasema state launch ikijengwa na mmekubali ijengwe, lakini manufaa ile kubwa 70% itoke area hii. Mmekubaliana namna hiyo?
Leo na mimi ninasimama hapa kuwajulisha kinaga ubaga. Niliposimama hapa mwaka uliopita, siwareji yetu ya Meru ambaye iko hapa, mji wetu mkuu wa Meru, ilikuwa imeshindikana, kumeumana na kukuwa na mwanga. Tunapozungumza, yule contractor nilimtamatisha kazi, Sasa nimepeana kandarasi mpya milioni 268. Tumalize ile kazi. Niliposimama hapa, mumesikia jamaa wa kaunti akizungumza pale. Nikawaahidi milioni 34. 84 million. Amesimama akasema nini? Tunapozungumza maji ya Kadhita yamejaa kwa mwanini? Kwa mabwawa. Nilipata ndugu zetu hapa Keru wa Bore, wamelia, wamezunguka, miaka nenda, miaka rudi. Miezi 2 iliyopita, mlipata nimesimama pale, nimewapa milioni 100 waanze ile kazi. Nikiona viongozi ambao wanaheshimika, viongozi ambao ni mababa zangu, na natarajia wawe na maono ya kuinua mtoto Mumeru, wakianza kupinga miradi ya serikali. Pasipokuwa na maono, sisi kama jamii ya Meru tunaangamia. Na tusiposimama pamoja, and mark my word, tusiposimama pamoja kama jamii, a house divided is easily conquered. Ambao wanajui kuna leo na kesho.
Na kuma Meru reke tugotugikiria orohani ndugathi haraya ni tugucokereria kogo ndugetikire gugifucia.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Waga choke ne turathane na wadada digo denjera.
Nĩ nduku-inya cia tabarĩra yaku ĩrĩa wendete ya gwĩceka tũciongereire mwago nĩguo we na kũmboeka mũikare mũraihanĩrĩirie. Hashtag inya cia gũkwagĩrithĩria mĩthenya yaku. Monday nĩ hashtag mũthenya wa kerĩ nĩ gũtaũkwo na kũmenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa
hashtag tumenye msanii
sana languages. Tukienda sasa hizi zingine za mathematics, sciences.
Naguo mũthenya wa Wednesday nĩ hashtag
kĩũndũ kĩa mwanya oya
twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũĩ ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo.
Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika, nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
Ramithi nĩ matene.
Hashtag matene, yani
matu maũndũ marĩa mahanĩkaga tene na marathiĩ mariganĩire tũgĩkũririkania nĩguo ndũkariganĩrwo nĩmo.
Tikaguiga bita nĩkĩ waria nĩtũitwa nyoni tataika nyone
nĩ gwĩceka tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩgũkinyagĩra o mũthenya kwambĩrĩria thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa Kiheo TV. Ũgĩterevoni waku ũtagũtiga kanda ya iheo kĩrĩ MC Heji wa Gĩtawa. Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinya o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria. Rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevone number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW kama kawa marĩ hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagĩra kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagĩra ũmemerekia mũthuranĩre o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra cihotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathege the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One ni wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau Waira KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Na kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A ni tereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D ni ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Urutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na Smart Driving License. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcira wabici-inĩ citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya 5 barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũrĩre thimũ kwa 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ino chini ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩtwarĩkia gũcokereria thĩinĩ wa ikereka ritũ rĩa kerĩ na rĩa mũthia. Arutani a natharĩ a kaunti ya Murang'a makoretwo magĩtabania mĩrũrũngano makĩenda mateta mao mathikĩrĩrio, no rĩu kĩhonia nĩ gĩethetwo thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a kũgĩa na mĩario na arũgamĩrĩri a arutani a natharĩ, imwe yacio arĩ nyongerera ya mĩcara.
We were employed on 2016 by the current government. We have been having a lot of challenges to do with our wages and salaries. So you find since we were employed on 2016, there have never been any increment in our salary. But when the current governor came into place 2 years ago, he gave us an increment of 1,500, which was effected immediately. But for us as CCD teachers, we felt that was not enough, and we have been looking for ways at least to meet the governor. We explain our grievances and we see the way forward how he can be able to help us with the salaries. So today we had a meeting with the governor. We escalated our issues, and the governor has listened to the cry of the teachers, and he has already increased the salaries of teachers as per the qualifications of each and every teacher.
It's a good idea for us to call them so that we can have a dialogue with them. So there was a new contract that the teachers were required to sign, and the main purpose of the meeting was actually to take them through that contract and to explain issues that were not very clear. One of the issues that was not very clear is about the increment that we're going to be getting per month or per year. So we have actually explained to them the fact that for instance, with the degree holders, at the moment they are earning 17,000. So come 1st of July 2026, within the month of July, they will start earning 27,000. So there will be an increment of 10,000. So in July they will earn 27,000. August they will earn another 27,000. September 27,000. So it's an increment of 10,000 for the entire year, where they shall be getting 27,000 for every month. For diploma teachers, they are currently earning 17,000, so they'll start earning. We are adding 6,000 to them, so they'll start earning 23,000 every month. 23,000 every month. For certificate teachers, they'll get an increment of 4,000. So from 17,000, they'll start earning 21,000 every month. Every month, 21,000. So for interns who are now currently earning 10,000, the interns, those who have degrees, they will be taken, all of them will be taken to the level of 17,000. So it means that those who have degrees and they are interns, by 1st of July of this year, they will start earning 27,000. So their salary will increase from 10,000 to 27,000 for degree holders.
Nao anyitite miruhonge-ini rwa githomo maugite ni mamakitio ni ciiko cia gutua nda iria ikoretwo igitabanio ni arutwo na hindi ya igongona ria guthomithia arutwo njira cia gucagura kothi thukuru wa Elite uria uri kuria Nyahururu. Anyitite mia maugite aciari amwe ni moreire wigiririki wao wa ureri wa ciana ciao na magitigira arutani
can interact so that the children are guided on the purpose of what they want to be while they're in school, so that they can inspire them to work harder. They can see somebody who's a doctor, a lawyer, who wore the same uniform, who stayed in the same facilities that they are in, and it became something out of themselves. It also helps guide on why you're in school, so that indiscipline doesn't come in. If you know the reason you're in school and what you want to achieve, you are less likely to be indisciplined.
We are celebrating our Alumni Day that we have also spiced up as a career day. We are happy to receive our old students, and they are coming here looking fine, people who have progressed in academics, and each one of them is eager to see and to talk and improve the learners here on the needs of these values. So we are grateful that the organizing committee and the management prepared this event for the learners so that they can see the importance of the values that we teach them. They are interacting with various universities and tertiary institutions that have visited, but at the same time with the old students that have gone through the system.
It has a number of effects, because we need also to train our lecturers on the new curriculum-based programs. For example, before, the programs that were offered were not mostly tailored to the industry, but for the CMBE curriculum, most of the programs that will be offered now, they will be tailored to the industry. If, for example, under the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, we are moving to like digital marketing. Most of the universities didn't offer programs that were tailored to arts, but in the next 2 to 3 years now, most of these universities will be offering those courses that are tailored to arts industry, like content creators, music and drama. The positive effect of this career fair that we are having in Elite School today, the students will be able to identify their careers. They will be able to identify the areas that they have passion in, and the areas that they have they have the most strength in.
Ni ngatho njitikiria twikirire gaturumo hau ngiohe mirigo yakwa ngiumire uguo. Ni ngatho cia mwanya gututegera matu gutwihokera mathaa maku, na ni ngatho kurera matigirira mohoro mani maukinya na njira igwete mutwathi na njira ya ciiko auma wa mbui wa gaku njitagwo Irimũ wa Wanjiru araika mwena Ngai maroko gitiro tukwa muthi uroko matakana ni gwendete no nake Ngai aikwenda ona makiria.
You can't
Hihi we murutwo ureketie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake thukuru ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Jewel Technical College riu ni uragwitira intake guko arutani aitu ni makinyanire ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo aitu na mashini cia kireu na makaheo umenyo uria wagirire kuringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, umemerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence na thiomisha naja ta German. Marihi maitu ni mafashirire uwega ukinyiria gikiro giothe kia murutwo. Tusherere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kana no tuhurire thimu kugerera kifugu mungwaja kifugu imwe ithatu kifugu